Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just got finished doing my morning workout. I did the apple cider vinegar and water combo, basically working out on an empty stomach except for that. So I'm done. I just got out the shower. So now I'm going to make a protein shake. So this is what I put in my shakes. I'll put about a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of flaxseed. I got that from Amazon. I'm going to use this Fitness Delight protein powder in the flavor chai, vanilla, delish. About a scoop of almond butter. You're gonna need some unsweetened almond milk, obviously a blender, and something to put it in. All right, so it's super easy. It's delicious. Then I'll have lunch at 12 o'clock. A nice lunch with some salad, and then we'll go from there. Cool? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm gonna make some lunch. I am gonna do lettuce wrap tacos, something simple and easy. So here's what I'm using. This is really good. This siete enchilada sauce, taco seasoning, some sour cream, some ground beef, and some lettuce wrap. Super easy. All right, so let's get started. Alright guys, so I have a lot of appointments today, so I'm going to make this super simple. Normally I'll put some onions, some garlic, green peppers. Not today. I have lots of things to do. So ain't nobody got time for that. But this is like a little cheat because it has everything. So we're going to Alright guys, I'm back. How are we doing over here? Alright. So it looks like it's nice and brown. Now normally, if I wasn't on keto, I would drain the fat. But since we are on keto, I'm going to leave that delicious fat in because fat is flavor, as we know. And I'm going to add some of this enchilada sauce. Here are the ingredients. Delish. We'll put the grease. Put a little fat in there to get some of that stuff. Put a little water too. How easy was that? And how quick was that? Like less than 10 minutes, right? Now, you don't have to use the taco seasoning that I use. I actually ran out of the other one because you can see that had a little bit of sugar. But, you know, how much sugar are we talking here? So that was all I had left. So that should be fine. So I'm going to let this simmer for another 5 minutes. Actually, let's give this a taste. Because I didn't check for... that's tasty. Actually, that's good. That's perfect. Alright, so we're going to let that simmer for about 5 minutes. Hi guys, welcome back. So it's lunchtime. So let's build our lettuce taco wraps. I'll probably have this for lunch and dinner today.